Python comments. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can also be used to prevent execution when testing code. Let's check this out. This is an example of a Python comment. So you use the hash symbol to write a comment. So I am a comment. Now I can put a piece of code here, print hello world, and our code is not going to execute with the comments. As you can see, hello world has been printed out. It ignores the comment entirely. Also, you can use this right in front of your code. You can also put a comment. I could put something like hello world here, and Python is going to ignore everything from the hash symbol. Let's check it out. Let me clear the terminal. So you can see hello world because Python has ignored the comments that I made here. Everything runs down till this first hash symbol. Now, you can also have multi-line comments by using a number of hash. So if I do this, so I have that on 3 line, and I can say I am a Python multi-line comment. Our code is still going to run because everything here is a comment. Also, there is a third one you can use, though normally you could use this to assign a paragraph to a variable, but if you did not assign it, Python will treat it as a comment, and this is it using 3 quotes. So if I put my comment inside here, I am a long Python paragraph of comments. If I save that, clear the terminal, and let's run this code, you can see it ignores everything, and still yet our last code is still running. So a recap, this section was on Python comments, and you can have a single line comment using an hash symbol, or a multi-line comment using series of hash on different lines, or you could use 3 quotes before and after to enclose your comments, and you can also have comments in front of a line of code and it will be ignored. So this is it on Python comments. I will see you in the next one.